Getting fired has been the best part of my year.
I started this company. You know how much I sacrificed?
Angithi clear kuthiwa kunale plot twist eyenzakalayo between August and December, I think that's what they say. And my plot twist was me getting fired. And at first I thought it was the worst thing to happen to me at the worst time. Kodwa kumnandi ungasebenzi mfethu, I have to tell you. Ukuhlala nje ubhuquza usuku lonke ekhaya, wehle wenyuka nje ujike nelanga. That's the best life, bruh. Don't let people who are working or who are not working tell you otherwise. This is the end goal. Uvuka ngesikhathi osithandayo, ulala ngesikhathi osithandayo, udla noma yinini, noma yini, uphuza noma yinini, ubhema noma nini, noma yini nje ufuna ukuyenza uyayenza noma ingasikhatsini. Uma ingadingi nje imali. Because inkinga iqala lapho, yonke into idinga imali. Into ebuhlungu mfethu ukuthi ungasebenzi ingabikho nemali. And nami angisho ukuthi nginemali eningi kodwa ke I'm still surviving and mhlambe nami siyeza leso sikhathi sokuthi ngingabi namali ngingasebenzi futhi kodwa manje I'm enjoying my unemployment. I have to be honest and I wish it stays like this for a while. I won't lie, it really did fuck me up at first. Ukuxoshwa nje emsebenzini unexpectedly really traumatized me. And for about 2 months I was in a state of panic, depression and hopelessness. I thought it was over for me. I felt worthless. I'm not making as much money. But then, almost overnight, I just felt okay with being unemployed. It shifted. I felt satisfied. I felt less pressured by myself and my thoughts. I realized ukuthi ngiyaphileka mfethu. Ayikho into eshintshile ngami nempilo yami. Ngisayimina nje ngiyaphila. Angifile. I'm surviving. Ngiyadla ngiyasutha. So what else do I need? Just to give you some context, I'm 26. Ngihlala ekhaya nomndeni wami, anginayo ingane. Abantu abasempilweni yami abamile ngami. Nobody depends on me. And anginazo nezikweletu. I-lifestyle yami is not and has never been that expensive. Even ngisasebenza ngikaze ngayithanda izinto. Ngiyayithanda izinto ezihle kodwa ngisaba isikweletu. Ngiyafuna ama Air Force 1 kodwa spending 2,000 rand on a pair of shoes, come on.
Nah, that ain't it.
That's not who I am. I-iPhone ngiyayithanda kodwa no man. Mina ngiyidingi. Into engisaba kakhulu ukuyithenga ngesikweletu imoto mfethu because what if I lose my job and now I can't afford ukukhokha le-installments zale moto. Ngicabange nje sebeyilanda nje mfethu leyo moto ihlazo and the perceived drop in status. I don't think I could handle that. Impe engayisusa lapho mfana wami, I would crash the fuck out. I was fortunate enough ukuxoshwa kukhona imadlana ekhona ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphila nami for a couple of months. Ngidlala nestokfela ngala, still have UIF that I haven't claimed. So things are not terrible for me. I'm not rushing to make it anyway. I'm okay with living like this for even my whole life. I don't think I would have much of a problem. Expenses ami awekho maningi. Keep imali yokudla nje le ekhaya, which is like almost $1,000, a little less sometimes. Ngithenga ama cosmetics ami, intsangu, lopi ngalelo langa. Nemali ukuthi sithenga ushwama nodali uma ngivakashele. And that's basically it. For me that's less than 2,000 rand a month. I stopped worrying when I realized ukuthi I'm okay with just having the basics. I don't need these extra things. Life is so good that I sometimes worry that I'm not worried enough about my situation. My family is often more worried about me than I am about me. Kodwa always give them reassurance ukuthi kupholiwe mfethu abangatatazeli. After the panic and stressing was gone, I settled into this daily bliss of freedom. I realized ukuthi freedom engaka ngempilo yami and I exercise that freedom. Bengeke ngivuke ekseni nje mfethu ngibheme ngiphuze ngishaye indlwabu and scroll on my phone the whole day. But I quickly realized this is the wrong way to exercise your freedom. On top of that, I realized that I actually want to work on something. I want to solve a problem. I want to be working towards a goal. I want to be stressing about something day in and day out. I want to be hating something. I want to be disciplined and have structure in my life or create something. Khona ngizokwazi nami ukulala ebusuku ngizizwe ukuthi I'm not wasting my life. I realized that I don't even need to be getting paid for said work or said projects that I'll be pursuing.
It's okay. It's on the house.
As long as it is meaningful to me, that is enough. Which is why I make these videos. Please like and subscribe. I'm doing this for the hopes that I'll be monetized and then be able to invest in more sustainable endeavors. Yes, I'm still looking for a job, but a specific one related to my field of study, film and television, video technology and all of that. If anyone is like a supervisor or a hiring person in that field, I like script writing, I like lighting. I have done an internship for lighting, so if you want me to work as a spark, I'm more than willing. I've gotten about 3 other job offers for call center, but I don't want to do that anymore. I've done that many years in the past. At least for now, I don't have to do it, but I will when I have to do it. Umndeni wami don't know my plans. I just sit in my room and scroll the internet usuku lonke. I wish it stays that way until I get monetized. That would be epic for me. That would be a dream come true.